This room panel is one of the dedicated Microsoft Teams device. Ideal for mounting outside the meeting spaces for displaying room information, room availability and meeting schedules. To join the meeting, a single click on Arm touch panel will be enough. Connecting the device is no more a headache. It supports PoE and DC adapter connections. With numerous test and analysis, the room panel can be mounted to various surfaces. Manage your meeting spaces with exceptional ease and efficiency. Contact us for video conferencing solutions.